We got a guy right around here. Sorry, bro. I didn't even catch you, man. I walked right by. I didn't even see you. Bro, sorry, bro. You're already down.
I was like, oh fuck, I was gonna. That was fucking dope.
Yeah, that was
almost
fun.
got me, dude.
I walked past and I heard
This
him.
guy's looking at me. He's taking me up because he's dead. I busted through the street. He was right there. I was like, fire.
Throw it up. Nobody's throwing it up. Nobody.
Double penetration, dude. I'm all about it.
So like sniper shots will go and come up and you get away.
Hey, cuz.
That should be.
We banging on these.
Yeah. He's fucking shooting through here. Where's that coming from? Probably get up here behind me. There they are. Are those our guys? Yeah, those are our guys. That's a good spot to camp. Man, these are... I wish I would have had the sniper, man. Fucking too far, dude. None of our BBs are even hitting over there. We could just wait for them to come closer though. Yeah, they're here they come. Yep, time to move positions. Got him. 1, 2. Are you fucking kidding me, bro? Get hit already. Put your hand up, bro. You're gonna get hit again. Oh, fuck, I'm blank. Bullshit. Alright. Without a single respawn.
I mean, you were trying.
It's hard to get through those bushes, bro.
I was like, we all that.
Whew, that was a fun spot. Because everybody tries to flank through that.
I don't know what his vendetta against me is, but he's only hit me in the face.
Damn, I was fucking pouring one mag. Well, the problem is, dude, it's taking
You
fucking
think after
30
running
shots
out,
in the column,
yeah.
dude.
You think after the first game or running
So
out.
if we can get to that fucking car, you can open up both doors and you have glass. So you can look, and they can't hit you, dude.
Yeah.
I didn't either.
Yeah, we'll just get to the creek. Follow this path, Robert, straight ahead. Get to the creek, boy. Oh my fucking leg! There's a big old drop down here too, so watch out for that. Yeah, dude, if we push up on their side when they try to come down, we'll just hit them the whole fucking time. Oh, shit. Man, you fucking kidding me. Get him!